Employees at this large CVS warehouse near I-70 and 465 normally work to distribute prescription medicine to CVS pharmacies across the Midwest. But according to this criminal complaint, one employee, Jesse Holloway, stole $1.2 million of a drug called promethazine with codeine.
This is what we call a diversion case, where drugs that are controlled and prescribed for legitimate uses are diverted. In this case, the allegation is they were stolen.
Federal prosecutors say the stolen cough syrup is an opioid, making it a controlled substance.
If people can get it, they're looking to get the same effect as if you were taking an oxycodone pill.
Investigators claim when they searched the suspect's home, they found evidence of the thefts, but Holloway, who told a roommate he was going on a trip, was nowhere to be found until prosecutors caught a lucky break in New Mexico.
We find fugitives. We find people that don't want to be found.
Dan McLean says a deputy with the United States Marshal Service was in New Mexico working to protect COVID-19 vaccines being delivered when he spotted Holloway driving west on I-70 and made an arrest.
The law and arm of the law extended all the way from Indianapolis to New Mexico, and they held Mr. Holloway accountable for his actions.
DEA Special Agent in charge, Mike Gannon, believes the bust could save lives and prevent overdoses.
100% it saves lives getting this off the street, and thank goodness CVS was able to bring this matter to our attention, because who knows how long he would have continued to do this.
Jesse Wells, CBS 4 News.
Jesse, thank you.